Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's go through the lesson.
Introduction to deformation of solids. The Penang Bridge is one of the longest bridges in the world. Thick cables are used to support the middle span of the bridge so that ships can sail below the bridge. Each day, thousands of vehicles use the bridge. During peak hours, the bridge is laden with the weight of the vehicles. The cables are stretched. What happens to the cables when there is no load on the bridge? The cables regain their individual original length. The property of the cables that enables them to regain their original length is known as elasticity. The cables and beams of the bridge undergo deformations. Stress and strain are experienced by the various parts of the bridge structure. In this lesson, you will be able to define stress and strain for a stretched wire, define Young's modulus, and learn to determine the Young's modulus of the material of a wire.
So which extension is greater? The answer is the thinner cord with longer extension, but the thick cord with shorter extension, smaller extension. So this means that F over A, S over A, the force over the cross-sectional area, as we know that will be the pressure, right? But if we apply the concept of force over the cross-sectional area, actually that one is the stress. Hey, what are the difference between the stress and pressure? Actually, stress and pressure are equal. So what we learn in the elasticity when in Form 4, chapter 2. So the length, the extension is directly proportional to the length of the spring. We learn in the spring, right? So same thing now, no matter this one with the elastic cord. So when the length increase, this means that the extension should be increased as well. So now we observe that P and Q are two identical cords. The length of Q is the twice of P. So Q is double length of the P. So how does the extension of an elastic? So now, okay. Okay, software punya voice tak dengar. Okay, sekejap ya. Recording. Okay, so now is it record or not? Oh, just in progress. But the image become very blur. Okay, so if the image become blur, so we need to restart. Okay, the Zoom.